Okay, so GitHub is very easy. So I'll just click on version control and share this project on. Click on it, GitHub. And I don't want to call it DA, but I guess I could because that's kind of what's there. ANI, so I have two repos. Let me go see which one I want to add it to. And unfortunately, this will not be a public repo. So this is the T. Higgins one. I think I'm going to add it to it because that's where most of my stuff is at. Yeah, T. Higgins. Yeah, that's fine. So I'll just add it to it. Let's go there. And let's just say share. Again, I can rename this, but I really am exporting Spectrum and DA, and I do want to keep this private. Sorry, maybe later. So let's just do that. That's more for our archiving. Okay. And now what I want to do is make sure everything's checked in. Okay, cool. It took a few minutes for this popped up. And I'm good with all of that. Good with that. I don't really care about the app file, but it's okay. And apply. So, and then here, and then we'll put that there. Okay, cool. So now we're in GitHub. Now, what I want to do now is talk about deployment. So I'm going to cut this video and I'll come back to it in a bit.